told what to do and how to do it. There ain't no cure for that type of sickness. There ain't no cure for big business. There ain't no cure for it. And there ain't no need. You keep buying people with pills to supplement your greed. You made a misdiagnosis. You didn't catch it and you upped the dosage. You gave him tablets without checking his condition. Without checking first. Because there ain't no cure for this. There ain't no cure for this. There ain't no cure for that type of sickness. You don't care. So why are you lying? Why are you lying? You give him tablets. You give it pills, but you don't understand just how it feels. You keep on buying more medication, more medication. He came this close to taking an overdose. He was my closest friend, the friend I knew the most. And you wonder why I say what I say. Because you know you did this, you won't admit this. You don't give a damn, it's big business. Big business, big business. You won't put your hands up and you'll never admit this. Cause there ain't no cure for this. There ain't no cure for this. There ain't no cure for that kind of sickness. You're a sick one. You need medication. You need medication. There ain't no cure for that type of sickness. You don't give a damn, do you? Cause it's a big business. Now I'm left here to witness his slow demise, 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 demise. Cause he took on you on your need to know basis, and he fed off your fucking lies. But you don't give a damn, it's big business. The truth of the matter is, there ain't no cure, there ain't no cure for that. There ain't no cure for that. And there ain't no cure known to man to cure that kind of sickness. You're the sick one. Find someone decent to pick on. But what am I saying? You don't care. It's big business. Talk amongst yourselves, but make sure a psychiatrist is not next to you. Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you a tale of a boy that never grew. Cause he couldn't see for himself at the time precisely what he became tethered to. He never grew. He never grew. He never grew. You never understood the storms in the mighty weathered through. He didn't see what he was tethered to. That's the reason why he never grew. He never grew. He never grew. He never grew. He had shame, blame, weighing him down. He wanted to be taken seriously. They were playing around. They didn't want him to grow. They didn't want him to mature. They wanted to keep him tied, so he was insecure. But the truth is that he never knew exactly what he was tethered to. You don't understand the storm he weathered through, and that's the whole reason he never grew. Time to cut the ropes, Unique. Let's cut them one by one. All these ropes had him surrounded. You know, all the weights of responsibility kept him grounded. They just wanted him in one spot, thinking it was for his benefit, but why not? Now I understand I never knew exactly what I was tethered to. You don't understand the storms that I weathered through. It's just a teenager that never grew. A boy that never grew. A boy that never knew how to grow until he cut the ropes of what he's tethered to. It's your fault. You did this. You're to blame. He tried to please other people, but he was making himself so ill. He was right at the bottom of the mountain. Every single struggle seemed to be uphill. Now he's starting to make his way up, but they want to just keep him down. But now he can cut himself free of the ropes with this knife he found. And that's the reason why a boy like him never grew, cause he took on board all the guilt he was tethered to. And you don't understand the many weathers he weathered through. They were holding him down, and that's the whole reason why he never grew. He never grew. He never grew. He never grew, and he only started maturing once he severed the ropes, weights, provoking him, breaking through the ties that were slowly choking him. That's the reason why he never grew. He couldn't see what he was tethered to. Get to understand, nobody even tried or endeavored to. Now he understands the storm in his mind all the time that he weathers through. But now he finally grew once he realized he needs to cut what he was tethered to. Oh no, not this time. No, I'm a bit more on the beach. It's really hot here. You need to stop beating yourself up for something that strictly isn't even your fault. Like this. Here we go. You won't run away from who you truly are, who you truly are. And if you think that you can for 1 second, you're not gonna get too far. too far unless you embrace who you truly are. Embrace who you truly are. You may not like parts of you, and you may be too quick to. You want to book an appointment just to replace it, but I think what you need to do is just embrace it. Remember your flaws, that's what makes you you. Continue to grow, that's what I would do. But I'm telling you this for your protection, like having a conversation with my mirror's reflection. My mirror's reflection. Cause you ain't gonna get too far until you're comfortable in the skin of the person you truly are. It ain't about what people believe a person like you can achieve. And if people bring toxicity in your direction, your point is to leave. Cause you can't get away from who it is you truly are. Who it is you truly are. You may think you can run, but you ain't gonna get too far. Cause you can't run from who you truly are. And that's who you truly are. That's who you truly are. You're more than just your condition. You are more than that label that society stables you with. But you ain't gonna get too far. But you ain't gonna get too far. But you ain't gonna get too far until you accept the person that you truly are. But you ain't gonna get too far. But you ain't gonna get too far. So the way that people perceive you is different from who you truly are. That's who you truly are. That's who you truly are. With your mistakes and flaws, embrace those parts of you. Because they're yours. You can't run away from you. Cause you ain't gonna get too far. You can't replace it. Time to face it. Look in the mirror and study the person you truly are.